Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising. So let's see ano yung energy sa inyo ngayong September 2026. This is your monthly reading. Let's see. So general reading, pwede kang makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. Okay, Aquarius, what's up? What's the energy ng September for you? Oh, pack goals. You are strengthening your body. So it's like flexibility. Merong agility. Pwede rin kayong may mga i-share na knowledge and skills sa iba. Yung abilities nyo, gifts nyo, talents nyo to teach others. You also have a decision to make, a major decision. Whether ipupurso mo ba ang isang bagay, papasukin mo ba, iiwanan mo na ba? Or ito nga, meron ka rin creative pursuits, no? May ipupurso ka na anything creative. This can be related sa trabaho mo, no? Or pwedeng pansarili mong libangan. Kasi yung iba, maaring hindi kayo ganun ka-open sa inyong creative endeavors, no? But this is the time for you to explore yung iba mo pang kakayanan. Kasi you'll never know eh. As long as nandun yung interest mo, there is always growth in that aspect of life. Okay? Or area of life. Now, your overall energy. Ace of Swords. Some of you are learning something. May mga bago kang interest na gusto mong matutunan, explore. Okay, so nagkakaroon ka ng clarity dito, which path to take. Some of you, pwedeng merong good news, no, na may in-applyan ka, natanggap ka, or merong communication with someone that you've been waiting for. Yung iba sa inyo itong good news na to related sa kaperahan, trabaho, business. Kasi that is more on collaborating, working with other people, expansion ng trabaho, business, career. Your challenge is the King of Pentacles. So, pwede may challenging situation with someone na merong authority over you sa money, sa pera, pareho lang. Money, pera, sa trabaho mo. Or, merong leadership role na ibibigay sa'yo, but you're assessing kung ito ba'y para sa'yo. You have the King of Pentacles. This is about your resources. So, maaring isa sa challenge mo is how are you going to use your resources para mas ma-improve ang iyong sarili. Halimbawa, meron kang pera, may extra pera ka, at meron kang interest, gusto mo matutong mag-bake ng cake. So, you can, use your money para mag-enroll sa isang course, or you can use the money to buy ingredients and do the trial and error self-study ba? Ganon. Opportunity, you have the Four of Swords. So, kung lagi kayong stressed or kayo ay nanggaling sa isang challenging situation, relationship, this is the opportunity for you to take a break, magpahinga. Five of Pentacles. I think meron kayong magiging solusyon sa financial issues ninyo ngayong September. Kasi the more na ino-overthink nyo, the more na mas lalong nagkikreate ng problem. So, I think ngayon, you will just relax yourself, and through that relaxation, na kapag ang mind natin ay less crowded or may less noise, kumbaga tahimik yung isip mo, maraming pwedeng pumasok ng mga ideas that will help you overcome your challenges, especially when it comes to finances and resources. Now, your blessing is the Two of Swords and the Ace of Wands. So yeah, definitely this is a solution to an issue or a problem na finally you are taking action. Okay? Importante kasi you are taking action doon sa mga goals mo. Kasi kung lagi mo lang siya iniisip at hindi ka nagtitake ng action, eh hindi naman to masusolusyonan. Or maghihintay ka matagal bago masolusyonan. But I also see here na yung opportunity mo na magkaroon ng oras para sa sarili mo, na magkaroon ng kapayapaan ng isip, and also prayers are going to be very helpful rin sa'yo, connecting to your higher self. Doon mas magsistrengthen yung instinct and intuition mo that will help you make the best possible decision for your situation. Some of you naman, pwedeng meron kang opportunity to start, like to start a new project with someone helping you para mas ma-express mo yung creative talents and skill set mo. Kaya lang, yung iba, nagkakaroon ng yung minsan nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage na you will think na, oh, I'm not good enough, or minsan nagda-doubt ka sa sarili mo. And yun ang mahirap kasi ang kalaban mo na dyan, sarili mo. Ano ba yung kaya natin kontrolin, di ba? Sarili natin. So kapag yun, kinalaban mo pa, talagang hindi ka makakakilos. Yes, definitely meron kang decision na kailangan gawin or may hinihintay ka na decision. So for some of you, merong legal issues or may related sa hinihintay na decision sa government, no? Ganyan, permits. Yung iba sa inyo pagod, no? Merong needs restoration. So I think yung opportunity ninyo to take a break and take care of yourself and your needs will definitely help you para ma-reset yung isip mo. So, some of you kasi, maaring meron ding energy na you are stuck in the past. Na may fears, may trauma na kaya ayaw mong magdesisyon kasi natatakot ka na baka magkamali ka ulit. You know, life is about taking risk, always making a decision para may magsanga na bagong experience para sa'yo. It's like opening doors na hanggat nandiyan ka lang sa may pinto at hindi ka nagde-decide kung bubuksan mo ba yan. Hindi mo makikita ano yung nasa loob, di ba? So, you will also be careful rin. You will pay attention sa paligid mo before you make a decision. Kasi part din yan sa analysis na kailangan mo i-analyze yung situation before you get yourself into. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. See you again.